My name is Iris Graham, and I am from Melbourne, Florida. I own a practice called Millie Fiore, and since I practice by myself, I love getting outside of my little bubble and getting to learn about what's going on in the industry. The experience with this course has been amazing. It's been very personable, from the emails that we've got that helped us with our travel plans, to checking into the hotel, making sure all of our accommodations were set, and then the actual class itself, I can't even speak enough about. The amount of information you get in 2 days is insane. The biggest takeaway that I've seen so far is how to actually apply this anatomy that we're learning into our everyday life with injections. We learn a lot of anatomy in books throughout our careers, but this has been a really good experience into translating the books into real life. If you said you were considering coming to this course, the answer is yes, just do it. It's time to sign up and learn more.